Hello guys, and welcome into a new apartment renovation video. Finally, the doors have been removed and everything around them. So this is rebar, a really old one. Sorry about that. Here I won't put a new door in anyway. The kitchen has been demolished almost entirely. I will most probably replace the combi boiler. And this is how the inside of the doors look, inside of the walls. And now the workers from the company at which I will purchase the doors will have to come for a second time to take the measurements once again, because they demanded to have everything taken down to see exactly what was beneath the old panels of wood. Here you can see how the house was made. So until 2 meters it is really solid, but from 2 meters above, the ones that built this house didn't have so much seriosity on this side from here on. But yeah, this is the way it goes. And you can imagine I replaced the combi boiler 1.5 years ago, something like this, or let's say in 2021, in February 2022. And yeah, those guys were really, I mean, thieves. They're basically thieves. When they my workers right now, when they took it down, they discovered that one of the O-rings or some something from a fitting was simply in half. So that gasket was basically covering half, and there was air coming inside the system from there. So that's what most probably caused that nasty sound. It is otherwise it's really a very good but classic combi boiler. I will purchase a condensation one from Vaillant. I will simply have to look at the model that I will like more, and if I will have to pay again a small fortune, okay, so be it. I will replace it, and also the radiators will be top notch and brand new. But yeah, the things are going really in a fast pace, but at a cost. I'm telling you, the prices that these guys charge really are insane, are simply insane. But it's just the way it is. My consolation is the fact that I can sleep well at night, knowing that they are serious. So seriosity is really hard to find these days. Other than that, yeah, they. I wish I would have start in this domain. I I would have been rich by now. So this is pretty much it. The doors have been thrown out, and the kitchen demolished in some areas, and plastered only on the ceiling right here. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and I will catch you in the next episodes. Bye bye.